Welcome to next video in C language. In this video, we are going to learn comments. Let us mention the topic comments. If you run the program, see here the topic comments. The compiler throw an error because if you want to give the topic name, then we need a requirement of comments. So I will show you how to give the comments. Two forward slashes like this, then run the program. See here, the hello world is successfully printed without throwing an error. So if you give this comments, the line will not be compiled. So the line of code will not be executed. So this is the working of comments. See, in comments there are two types, like single line comment, multi-line comments. What is single line and multi-line comments? So to understand this topic, let us make some experiment by taking some printf statements. See here, for explanation purpose, I am taking three printf statements. If we run this, see how we get the output. So I am giving a comment to this printf statement. So I don't want to print this line. So I am using same this type of comments here. See how I am using two forward slashes. Then I am running the program. Hello world and Balaji education is only printed. So this two forward slashes is means a single line comment. So if I give same to this Balaji education printf statement, so you can see that only hello world is printed. Suppose if you are with multi lines, so you don't want to execute or compile that multi lines. So then multi-line comments are used. So here this two statements, this line and Balaji education are not printed. So without this we can use multi-line also. So I will show you how this multi-line are. Give one forward slash, give one forward slash and star, and give star and forward slash. See here the line of code is with some another color. So this shows that these lines are not to be printed. So here you can see that only hello world is printed. So if I remove this and if I place here the star and forward slash, then now you can see this printf, this Balaji education is to be printed, hello world and Balaji education is to be printed. So the line is not printing. So this slash and star and the star are used for multi-line comments. See, I want to clear some concept on this printf statement. Like if we run the program, then you can see hello world and line Balaji education are printing in only single line. Then how to be printed in multi-line? See here I am using here black slash and n. Then what will going to happen if I run the program? What will going to happen here? Hello world and this line is printing in only one line, first line, and next line is printing Balaji education. So if I run the program, you can see that hello world and this line is printing in one line and Balaji education is printing in another line. So at the end, when we use this black slash and n, then it is an indication to print in next line. So or if I use black slash and n in front of this line, then see here this hello world and this line and Balaji education is printing in three lines. So this is used to print the line of code in next line. Let us say I am printing the whole thing in just one line. So if I run the program, it will printing in only one line. So suppose if I want to print this Balaji education in next line, So same thing I am using the black slash and en. If I run the program, you can see now Balaji education, hello world, the line and Balaji education are printing in different lines. So if I use this black slash in here, then if I run the program, you can see this is to be printing in three different lines. Suppose if I'm again black slash n and I'm writing ram, then these four are printing in four lines. So not only black slash n, if I want to use here, if I want to give only tab space, then I am using only t. Black slash and t is for to give only tab of space between hello world and this line. See here you can notice that the space between world and this line, or here if I'm giving so much of space like this, then you can see at output side it will get that amount of space here. Suppose here I'm giving tab and tab and tab so on, and I'm roaming here space. So at outside you can see that three tab space are is to be printed here. So I think now you have get an idea of these comments, what is single line comment and multi line comments, and how this black slash n and black slash t